Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the last video that we're going to do on the Chevy truck. Last thing that we're going to be finishing up on the truck is interior. We put a new dash pad on. There's what it looks like. And door panels to match the dash pad. Both of those are put on. Have the radio installed. I'm going to be finishing up behind this seat. And the fella wanted a carpeted panel to cover up where the old gas tank was. And he wanted these sides covered too, that curl around. So, show you what I made for that. I think it's going to work okay. I haven't put it all in here yet, but I've got it pretty much finished and ready to install. Here's a panel here that will go behind the seat. And I have the speakers in it. I have 2 speakers already in the dash, but we're hooking up 2 more, so the stereo will have 4 speakers for it. And then these pieces here, let's see, this is the driver's side, I think. Yeah. So this is the driver's side. It will go like that. That'll curl around the cab corner there on the inside. I think it's going to work. I'm going to put it in here now and we'll see. Got it just set in there to see what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with that. And to attach it, I'll just put some screws in the very top there on the lip under the back glass there. I think we're going to try these corner panels to make sure that they still fit okay. They did with just the wood, but I have put the carpet on it, so that's going to make it a little thicker. So let's do that next. And there's just a loose fit of the side panel. And here's the other one. And when I get the screws in it, I think it's going to look okay. And there's the passenger side. I do have this fastened here at the top, the back panel. I used black screws in that, but I had to use more of a wood screw in those sides, but I can paint the tops of those black. We've got to put this other panel on here, and I think it's done. All right, I think that's got that. And the speakers work. I've already tried them, so that's wrapped up. Well, as to the glove box situation, looking on this paperwork, and they actually supply a plastic glove box. You can see it right there. And here it is. So that's to mount back in the dash like that. I haven't tried to put it in there, but it's supposed to fit, so we'll see if it works. Well, it will fit. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be on the outside. Well, I know it is, because there's the nuts, and that has to go through that glove box to hold it in there. But it does fit. I'm going to get the glove box cover and see what it looks like. Well, it fit very well. The only thing I'm missing is the little hinge that goes from here up to this slot. And I thought I had it here, but I think we took it back to the fellow that owns this truck's house. It got in a box that didn't belong. But I'll round that up, and it really fits well. I was surprised. That's a nice looking glove box. Not very big, but it looks good. Have the hood back on the truck. There's the engine compartment. All finished. Turned out really well. Kind of dirty, but got the hood on. Gaps look pretty good on it. And the last thing I did to the truck, fellow ordered bucket seats. This is a TMI bucket seats with the center console. Pretty sharp. Seat backs recline. As you can see, the passenger one is setting upright. Of course, they have tracks with handles to scoot them forward and back. 2 cup holders. So that's got that finished up. Got the seat belts put in on both seats, so we're safe. So my part of working on this truck is finished. He has a bed over at his place, and he is going to repaint that where the old gas tank neck was. Put the bed back on, and new tail lights for the bed too. We'll put them on, but my job is pretty much finished on what I'm doing. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is 9 videos that I've done on this truck. Hope you've enjoyed watching them. Stay tuned for more videos, and appreciate you watching our channel. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.